If I told you that Google quietly released a free AI tool so powerful that it can replace your notebook taking app, research assistant, and even podcast generation, PDF analyzer, study coach, content writer, brainstorming partner, and even more that you're like your second brain. And it's all free. No monthly subscription, no complicated setup, and almost nobody is talking about it. Meanwhile, people are paying 8 to 10 different AI tools every month when this single tool can already do most of it. And the craziest part, students are using it to study faster than the toppers, creators are turning PDFs into podcasts, and the founders are using it like a private AI CEO assistant. This is Notebook LM, and by the end of this video you will know how to use it better than 99% of the people of the internet. Welcome back to this channel. Here if you are new, this channel is all about the future technologies, AI revolution, productivity and system, and becoming ahead of 99% of the people before the world catches up. And today's video might genuinely save you thousands of rupees every year, because this is not another AI tool. This is probably the smartest and the free AI product Google has released in the years, and the most people are using the 5% of its power. So today I will show you a Notebook LM actually works, and how students, creators and entrepreneurs are obsessed with it, 10 paid tools it can replace, and hidden features nobody talks about, and how to use it like a pro. Let's begin. First, we will cover what is Notebook LM. So first, let's exactly identify what is Notebook LM is. Notebook LM is a Google's AI-powered research assistant. Like, it is built for normal chatbots that hallucinate random users from the internet. Notebook LMs works only for your sources. You can upload PDFs, YouTube transcript, Google documents, research papers, notes, websites links, and even books. And this AI becomes an expert only on those materials. These changes that everything, because instead of getting generating AI answers, you get grounded and source-based intelligence. Imagine like this: like you upload your physics notes, WBJW question papers, coaching PDFs, or YouTube lectures, or West Bengal JEE, any JEEs or IIT JEE papers, and you ask them, explain the rotational motion like I am 10 years old, give me your most repeated concepts, create a 30-day revision plan, make a quiz for your notes, and it all does instantly. This is why students are going crazy over it, but that's only the beginning. Number 2 will shock you. The Google's added one more feature, and the internet exploded: audios overviews. Basically, Notebook LM can turn your documents that you are uploading into a realistic AI podcast. Two AI hosts literally discuss about your notes like a real podcast conversation, not robotic, not boring, and it sounds insanely human. People are uploading business books, research papers, and lectural notes, startup strategies, and self-help books. And interestingly, you can listen to them also while walking, gymming, traveling, and sleeping. Imagine you're revising your syllabus like Spotify podcast. That's insane, right? This is the most people realized. Wait, it is not just a notes app. It is an AI learning machine. Yes, it is an AI learning machine. Now let's talk about why the tool is terrifying for the AI companies. Because Notebook LM can replace the parts of multiple subscriptions, note-taking apps like Notion AI and Evernote AI. If you ever heard or used these things, you know about it. Notebook LM already recognizes and understands your notes better in many cases. And number 2 is the PDF analyzers. Instead of manually reading 100 pages of PDFs, upload it, ask the questions, and get summarized instantly. AI study apps, flashcards, quizzes, revision notes, practice questions done automatically. Podcast summaries. Instead of listening to the 3-hour podcast of Raj Samani or any big creators like Ranveer, etc., just upload the transcript and ask for the key insights. It's all done. Research assistants. Students and researchers are using it to understand the complex papers in minutes. Brainstorming tools. Creators use it for video ideas, script angles, hooks, storytelling, knowledge management systems. It acts like a searchable brain that can define you to become a next level person. It also helps you meeting summarizing, like you upload the transcripts and get action points instantly. Now it can also give learning companionship. Instead of watching the insane same lectures 5 times, ask the AI to explain differently. It can also take AI voice app learnings. The podcast features alone replaces entire categories of learning apps. And remember, Google is giving it away free, and this is the scariest part. Let me tell you how you can use it in a pro manner. This is a section 4 and is the most important. So if you are till now, listen it carefully. Most people use this Notebook LM wrong. They upload one PDF and ask us one question and leave. And it's a beginner mode. Here's how you can use it as a power mode. So act as that Notebook LM is your AI second brain. So create separate notebooks for businesses, AI, fitness, studies, content ideas, and startup plans. Over time, Notebook LM becomes trained of your knowledge. You basically building a personal AI memory system. Number 2 is the method. that you can do a content creation machine. This is crazy for creators, like upload competitors transcript, viral video scripts, and own video ideas. Yeah, and you can research articles also, then ask, find patterns, make videos that goes viral, give me strong hooks, or create a storytelling structure. This literally becomes the craziest content strategies. Number 3, it's for the students god mode. This is probably the most overpowered use case. Uploading entire syllabus, PYQs, coaching modules, formula sheets. And then ask which chapters repeated most, mix your revision schedule, or teach me weak areas. It will give you a detailed analysis of all of these. And like, you can also for creating mock tests. Imagine having a private AI teacher available for you 24/7, which will help you to become one of the top students and beat toppers just one night before the examinations. Yes, that's true. So let me tell you the method 4, which is a book summarizing systems. You can upload like self-help books, finance books, psychology books, and you can download easily from the free PDF that are available on the Googles and etc. And you can give it to NotebookLM, and then you can tell that summarize it, action plans, lessons, implement structures, and it will consume the knowledge tennis faster. This is why the future changes. Here's the deeper reason this matters. Future will belong to the people who can learn faster than everyone else, not the smartest, not the richest, not the fastest learner. That AI tools like NotebookLMs are becoming a cognitive amplifiers, meaning one person with AI can now do the work of entire teams. A student can learn faster, a creator can research faster, a founder can think faster. This is why the AI race is no longer about chatbox. It is about who controls the human productivity. And Google may have quietly made out one of the dangerous productivity weapons yet. For free outro that will make you blow your mind. So let's start. Here's your challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Go to the NotebookLM today, upload your notes, your ideas, your goals, your favorite books, and that's all. And spend 30 minutes exploring it seriously, because the people who learn AI now will dominate the next 5 years, and the people who ignore it now will eventually work for those who didn't. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more further tech deep dives, AI revolutions, and powerful tools that genuinely change your life. And comment below what would you use NotebookLM for, and I will reply the best ones and each and every one as I am possible. Every Sunday I upload a video detailed on this AI analysis, so make sure that every Sunday you stay live, because every Sunday 1 p.m. is the time when you will get this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Prosper Aritra for more such real life-changing AI updates. Meet you in the next Sunday with the next AI upload, next AI update. Till then, goodbye. And tell me what are the improvements that I can do with the video, so which will make you and help you to increase your efficiency. And also tell me that what video I should make in the next Sunday that will change your life, or which tool AI you want to know deeply. I will make a video of that. Till then, signing off, Prosper Aritra.